Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you've spent years learning, your job, your skills, even your creativity, can now be done better, faster, and cheaper by a machine. No breaks, no sleep, no emotions, just pure intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the truth. This future isn't coming. It's already here. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an insane speed. Every day, it gets smarter, more capable, more human-like. So the real question is not if things will change. The real question is, will artificial intelligence replace humans? And if it does, what happens to us? To understand where we're going, we need to understand how fast we got here. Just a few years ago, AI was limited. It could barely understand language. It made mistakes constantly, but today, AI can write entire books. It can generate realistic images of people who don't even exist. It composes music. It codes software. It can even pass exams that humans struggle with. And it's not slowing down. We are entering a new era. An era where intelligence is no longer exclusive to humans. For the first time in history, we are creating something that can think, learn, and improve itself, and that changes everything. Let's be honest, people aren't just curious about AI, they're scared of it. And that fear comes from one simple idea: replacement. Throughout history, technology has always replaced jobs. Machines replaced manual labor, computers replaced typewriters, automation replaced factory workers. But AI feels different, because this time, it's not just physical work, it's mental work, creative work, human work, writers, designers, programmers, even doctors and lawyers. No one feels completely safe anymore. And when people start to feel replaceable, that's when fear takes over. But is this fear justified? Or are we misunderstanding what AI really is? Artificial intelligence has some incredible strengths. First, speed. It can process information faster than any human ever could. Second, scale. It can handle millions of tasks at the same time. Third, consistency. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't make emotional mistakes. That's why AI is so powerful in areas like data analysis, pattern recognition, automation, prediction. In these areas, artificial intelligence doesn't just compete with humans. It dominates, and that's why certain jobs are at risk. Jobs that are repetitive, predictable, and data-driven are the easiest to automate. But here's where things get interesting. Despite everything AI can do, there are things it simply cannot replicate. At least not yet. Emotion. AI doesn't feel happiness. It doesn't experience pain. It doesn't understand love, fear, or purpose. It can simulate emotions, but it doesn't live them. Consciousness. We still don't fully understand human consciousness, and we are nowhere close to recreating it. AI processes information. Humans experience existence. That's a huge difference. True creativity. AI can remix ideas. It can generate content based on patterns. But humans create from experience, from struggle, from meaning. That's something machines can't truly replicate. So if AI won't fully replace us, what's the real risk? The real danger isn't AI itself. It's how we use it. AI is a tool. And like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or bad. It can help cure diseases, solve global problems, improve our lives, or it can increase inequality, eliminate jobs without creating new ones, concentrate power in the hands of a few. The biggest risk is not that AI becomes smarter than humans. It's that humans don't adapt fast enough. So what does the future actually look like? Not a world where humans disappear, but a world where humans and AI work together. Think about it. The internet didn't replace humans. It empowered them. Smartphones didn't replace intelligence. They enhanced it. AI will likely do the same. The people who succeed in the future won't be the ones who compete with AI. They'll be the ones who use it. So, will artificial intelligence replace humans? No, but it will replace the humans who refuse to evolve. The world is changing, faster than ever before. And in this new world, the question is no longer, will artificial intelligence take your place? The real question is, will you adapt or be left behind?